point we hit a stage in our life where the elements start to deteriorate and decay, and we start to move back in the spectrum, eventually dissolving into the absolute, the nothingness, the space again. And this is the cycle of birth and death. Same within a session. We start a session with the element of space. Traditionally in Thai massage, this is where we do the mantra, that evocation, that openness to receive guidance, information, connecting. We set our intentions. Which direction do I want to move with my practice? This is the element of wind. The action is the fire. And applying, adapting, finding that perfect fit, finding that connection is water, and applying the earth. So bringing the hands onto the soles of the feet, finding a perfect fit, we're going to do a little palm press. Shifting the weight side to side, rocking the body. Fingers under the ankles, lift the legs up onto your lap. Soles of the feet touching the belly. We're going to do a gentle rocking here. Do a little compression, followed by traction. Separating the feet, moving your body forward. Internal rotation, toes pointing inwards. Let the feet hook behind you. Sit back, deeper traction. Fingers onto the back of the knees, bend the knees, push the knees towards the chest. Step to the side, legs folded perfectly over your thigh, one ankle over the other. Press down, hips off the mat, lower back swing. Hips down, hands on the chest and the shoulders. Catwalk, shifting your weight side to side, sinking one hand onto each shoulder and then the other. Palm pressing down the arms, catwalk, shifting side to side. And as I'm moving, can you perceive qualities of the elements? I'm using my body weight, gravity, this is the earth element. I'm adapting to the landscape. This perfect fit, this liquid glove, this is water, fluid, rhythmic. Moving the knees towards the chest. Moving the knee up towards the elbow. Turn to the side. Reach for that hand that is far away from you. Move the arm across the chest. Hand hooks on the shoulder blade. Bring the hand down. Move diagonally. Keep their knees towards the chest as you sit back. Bring them into a side position. Your hands hook onto the back. And here we're going to do gentle rocking. A little bit more water, more rhythm, more flow, more articulation on the spine. But all the movement comes from your center. You're not engaging your muscles, using your weight, your earth, to affect their earth in order to move water, fire, and wind. Use your foot, the heel of the foot, right onto those erector muscles. Left hand behind you supports your weight. Come up. Bring the arm down. Guide the knees towards the chest, support the ankles so you can transition to the other side. Knees towards the chest. Reach for the hand far away from you. Cross the chest. shoulder blade, hand down. Move diagonally. Support. Sit down. Hook. Open. Everything that we do it not just for the well-being of our receiver, for the well-being of the giver. How can you take this opportunity to open, create space, more fluidity, more ease, more comfort in your body, in your vessel? This is a communication, it's a conversation. For this conversation to be authentic, what you are conveying as a message has to be something that you are embodying. If I'm not comfortable, does this look like energy is moving in my body? Do I look comfortable here? What's my body language telling me? Most efficient way to move energy in someone's body? Make sure that the energy is moving in your body. Open, soft, fluid. Now we're starting to talk the language of the elements. What do I want to bring in? More fluidity. Then I bring more water into my body. More connection. If I want more fire, find a sharp point. There's the bone. I use my fingertips, sharp points. Knees twist the chest. Support the ankles, stand up. Crisscross the lower legs, bring the tops of the feet below your knees. Reach down, get a hold of the hands. If you want better support, you can ask your partner to grab you back. Now here, Utkatasana, sitting on a chair, arms straight, back straight, lean back. Start working your legs straight. We don't need to do this turn, but just to bring them up to a sitting position and stand behind. Legs offer support for the back. Chin down, exposing the top of the shoulders. Hands find that perfect fit, top of the shoulders. And palm press. One leg behind, the other leg in the front. Let the head rest on your thigh. Hand on the opposite shoulder. One hand secure, stabilizes the head, as the other hand presses down, compresses, palm presses the top of the shoulder. More fire, more precision. Place the thumb right on the top of the shoulder. The other hand sinks onto the thumb. Fire technique, sharp, precise, intense. Stabilize, lock, lean. In Thai massage we don't push, we always lean. We use the body weight. Earth, sink. Water, perfect fit, adaptable. Fire, sharp, precise, intense. Kneeling behind your partner. Legs offer support for the back, point your toes back. Hands on the front of the body, sit back, bring your partner with you. Open their arms so the chest can open. Bring your hands behind you to offer support. Reclining pose. Wag your tail, a bit up. Create a nice rhythmic motion. Walk your hands forward so you can support this position without your hands on the floor. Reach for the wrists. Flex on, flex off. And in one move, directing the energy of movement upwards and forwards. Bring them up into sitting position. Your partner, thanking each other, and we're ready to swap. Okay?